one of you here is here to change the world. Each one of you here is here to bring a positive impact in the world. So my word to you guys is don't ever, ever lose faith. Thank you very much.
I just experienced a wonderful workshop, Nathalie Virem Workshop, which is run by the foundation. And the work that they did was basically teaching entrepreneurship, but it was very different than any other entrepreneurship that I have been involved, and I've taught some and I've been experiencing some. What is so important about that, it was that it's a three-dimensional teaching. It includes spiritual, it includes exercise, it includes teaching, it includes knowledge, it includes movement, every type. So it's really more of a teaching the journey of life through entrepreneurship. You learn all of that in 4-day seminar, and it was a wonderful experience. I want to recommend that to everyone that sees this video and join this foundation. Thank you very much for having me.